Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to take a moment to subscribe to our channel. So guys, first off, let me apologize for my voice. I have been sick probably the last week and a half. You guys would know that because I pre-schedule my videos out, but this is the first video I'm doing with an actual voiceover, so bear with me. And today's video is a very special one, you guys. We're going to be looking at how to have a beautiful, gorgeous pink and green living room. To tell you guys, this is one of my favorite looks. It just looks earthy and feminine at the same time, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. However, you guys will have to keep watching to see if it made my ultimate favorite. The pink and green color scheme can be done to so many different design styles. So you see in this room, it's more of a mod type design look. However, in this room, you still have the pink and green, but it gives you a totally different vibe and a more bohemian chic look. Pink and green can also give you a super feminine look as shown in this, with the soft greens, soft pinks, and tons of floral prints and white accents throughout. Or it can be very funky like this room. I actually love this room, and you can see in this room they actually chose to accent it with blue. So I already know what you're thinking, pink and green in a living room. What are you talking about? But you guys, pink and green should always be seen. That is my motto. As opposite pigments on the color wheel, these two colors are the perfect complement to one another. There are so many different shades of green to choose from that whichever one you choose, it can give you the desired effect that you wish for your room. Also, as you can see in this room, it's paired with pampas grass to give it a more relaxed feel. And in this room, we have more tropical prints, which actually makes the look more vibrant and alive. I'm not for certain if you all have noticed or not, but most of these rooms that have the majority of green always pair it with gold accents. There is something so special, so elegant, and so chic about green and gold together. So when decorating with green and pink, you can either make everything else in the room very neutral, so it kind of tones the pink and green down, or you can make everything in the room pop to make a room to where as soon as you walk in, bam, you're just charged with energy. I absolutely love the pink and green combination so much. So according to Karen Haller, author of the Little Book of Color, pink has positive effects of maternal love, nurture, and compassion, whereas green can be restorative and create feelings of harmony, peace, and reassurance. You can see why this is the perfect color pairing for your living room. We are almost at the end of the video, guys, but take a moment and comment your favorite room. And if you want to know mine, oh my goodness, how many of you all guessed it? It's feminine, it's chic, it's soft, but it's bright, and there's tons of flowers, which I love. This is definitely my favorite. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also share this with anyone who loves home decor as much as we do. Thanks for checking out this pink and green video, and we will see you in the next video, which will be really soon. Bye, friends.